Hi guys, this is Miss Navarro and I have a wonderful story today that's going to talk about how a seed becomes a plant and the cycle that a plant goes through. This is called From Seed to Plant. It's by Gail Gibbons. Most plants make seeds. A seed contains the beginning of a new plant. These are all plants that have seeds in them. Squash, violet, tulip, daisy, rose, pea, buttercup, corn. Seeds are all different shapes and sizes and colors. All seeds grow into the same kind of plant that they are made from. There's a sunflower and a sunflower seed, and an oak tree with an oak tree seed. Many plants grow flowers. Flowers are where most seeds begin. A flower is made up of many parts. It has a petal, it has a sepal. The bottom of the pistil are the tiny egg cells called the ovules. It has the stem. Stamens make yellow powder called pollen, and the parts of the flower around the pistil are called the stamens. A flower is very intricate. Before a seed can begin to grow, a grain of pollen from the stamen must land on the stigma at the top of the pistil of a flower like itself. This is called pollination. Pollination happens in different ways. Often, wind blows pollen from flower to flower. Bees, other insects, and hummingbirds help pollinate too. While they visit flowers for their sweet juice called nectar, pollen rubs onto their bodies. They can carry the pollen to another flower where it comes off onto its pistil. If a pollen grain from a flower lands on the pistil of the same kind of flower, it grows a long tube through the pistil into an ovule. This is the beginning of a seed. The seeds grow inside the flower even as the flower begins to die. As the seeds become bigger, a fruit or a pod grows around them. The fruit or pod protects the seeds. When the fruit or pod ripens, it breaks open. The seeds are ready to become new plants. Some seeds fall to the ground around the base of the plant where they will then grow. Some pods or fruits open and the seeds pop out. Sometimes when birds eat berries, they drop seeds. Other seeds fall into streams, ponds, rivers, or the ocean. There they travel on the water until they stick to dirt along the shore. The wind scatters seeds everywhere. Some seeds have fluff on them that lets them float on the ground like tiny parachutes. Others have wings that spin as they fall. Animals help scatter seeds too. They hide acorns and nuts in the ground. Some seeds have hooks that stick to the fur of animals or people's clothes. Later, they can drop off onto the ground. A flower bed or vegetable garden is beautiful. Seeds are planted to grow in the gardens. The seeds come in small envelope or boxes. Directions explain how to plant the seeds and care for the plants. Have you ever planted a seed? The beginning of a plant is curled up inside each seed. Food is stored inside the seed too. The seed has a seed coat on the outside to protect it. A seed will not sprout until certain things happen. First, it must be on or in the soil to give it nutrients. Then it needs to rain or be watered to soak the seed and soften its seed coat. When the sun shines and warms the ground, the seed coat breaks open and the seed begins to grow. This is called germination. A root grows down into the soil, and the root takes in water and the minerals from the soil for food. Up grows a shoot. It shoots up into the air. Green leaves grow from the shoot towards the sun. Roots grow down and shoots grow up. Root, shoot. They both have an ooh, a double O in them. The plant grows bigger and bigger. The leaves make food for the plant from the water and the minerals in the soil, the sunlight and the air all around the plant. Finally, the plant is full grown. Buds on the plant open to flowers where the new seeds will grow. Many of the foods people eat are seeds, fruits, and pods. They are full of nutrition, vitamins, and minerals, and they are quite tasty too. From seed to plant. Now we are going to draw how a seed becomes a plant in our own way.